Luminous, joyful, golden days, sacred, shining, hopeful rays, gentle laughter, warm embrace, gracious hearts in every place, tender, faithful, bright and kind, open hands and peaceful mind, welcoming, generous, soft and free, living, loving unity. Not only whispered quiet prayer, but brave and active, strong and fair. Hospitable, heartfelt, warm, sheltering souls from every storm, charitable, selfless, calm and clear, hopeful voices drawing near, patient, merciful, light and strong, healing hearts that have felt wrong, humble service, steady flame, different paths but love the same, interwoven, peaceful, wide, many traditions side by side, respectful